Football is back, and thousands have gathered at Arizona Stadium in Tucson to see the latest edition of the Cardinal and Navy. Tonight, it's an in-state battle between the Arizona Wildcats and the Northern Arizona University Lumberjacks. Welcome to the sounds of a new-look Arizona Stadium for tonight's season opener.
Have fun tonight. Take care of the ball. Let's have fun. You know what I mean?
The wide side and throws back beautifully. Gorgeous play to Daniel Jenkins. Jenkins takes care of that. Jenkins takes care of it all. Daniel Jenkins, 91 yards. Tip ball, that one is picked, and this one is not missed. Tremaine Bondurant. Denker's got room middle. Denker's got room, end zone. How about that? How about that? Well, the story of football last year, quarterbacks that could do that, and Arizona unleashes Javale Allen, 61 yards.
And that is going to be it. They're going to let the clock run out. Nice way to start the season. Great crowd tonight. The Wildcats, they've been waiting a while to get out in their revamped stadium and show the fans what they've got, and they've showed them well tonight.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Hey, you know how many they got on offense, right?
Defense, 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 defense.
Be smart with it. Be smart with it. Do not ruin a nice win by being stupid and selfish tonight or tomorrow night. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
That's every guy. You seniors, but take some leadership. Be smart. Make sure that you guys are doing the right things. You represent this program and every person in this program. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, but I thought you guys on the sideline demeanor was good. Your effort was good, but we got to execute better. Do you not agree?
Yes, sir.